Huge round of applause is aided by Yamnappa Harijan. The third platoon consists of the Vasco Police, and the platoon is headed by PSI Utkrant Rao Desai. A huge round of applause for the Vasco Police Station. Round of applause, please welcome the parade who are marching with pride and honor of the state on this such a beautiful occasion that is the 19th December, the Goa Liberation Day.
पॉइंटर नॅशनल हायवे मुठा आमचो एन्क्रोचमेंट आसा, नेवी मुठा एन्क्रोचमेंट ना, ते मुठा तुम्ही एन्क्रोचमेंट म्हूण मुडा, आमी इमिडिएट लँड दिता, एन्क्रोचमेंट म्हूण नाका. एक एकदा इगो येता मोदी ह्या मुद्दम सांगता, तेका लागूनय हो एक ल्हान पॉइंटार थोडे दीस गेले, पूण सगळे सॉर्टिंग आउट जावन मान्य नितीन गडकरी येता तेन्ना आमकां हे फ्लायओव्हरूय मेळटले. म्हणजे तुम्ही पळया इतलो बदल आमचे मुरमुगांव तालुकाय जाता, इतलो बदल. लास्ट आर्म ऑफ द जुवारी ब्रिज इनॉग्रेट करता 22nd, कितली स्मूथ फ्लो ऑफ ट्रॅफिक. पणजे वचपाचे 1 वर 1.5 वर केन्ना लागताले, फक्त अर्देवर लागतले. ही प्रगती न्हय. टिका केल्ली तिसरो ब्रिज स्वर्गीय मनोहर पर्रीकरान करपा येवजिले तेन्ना ना आमकां तिसरी ब्रिज कित्याक बेस्ट केलो, गोंयकाराचे पयशे उडयता म्हूण. आज तिनूय ब्रिज आसून सुद्धा तिनूय ब्रिजाचे कंजेशन आमी कितें प्रगती वाडोवपाक शकता. हांव एक हिंगा हे सभे मजार सांगपाक सोदता, आमी 63 वर्सां भितर सरता, आमी मातशे पॉझिटिव्ह जावपाक जाय. सोशल मिडिया हातीन मेळ्ळे म्हूण कितेंय कांयच्या काय क्रिटिसिजम केले म्हूण जायना. अवश्य क्रिटिसिजम करा आनी बरें आमचें फंक्शनिंग जावचें, आमी आमचे मिस्टेक करेक्ट करचे म्हूण. पूण हांवें उदाहरण दिलां तशें एक जॉगर्स पार्क सारखे कॅन्डल लायट घेवन तुम्ही सिनियर सिटीजनांक भडकयता जाल्यार हें तुमकां दाखयता की तुमकां इंट्रस्ट बरें जाता तेजे नाच म्हूण. अशें जावपाक फावना. बरें करता ते तुम्ही बरें म्हूण सांगपा जाय, आनी तेन्नाच फुडार आमच्या भुरग्यांचो पोटजोडीत आसतो. आमचे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री तुमकां खबर आसा, एज्युकेशन नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी, स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी, सायन्स अँड टेक्नॉलॉजी टेम्पर टू रेस नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी. म्हणून आम्ही चंद्रयान 3 पावले. आणि आमचे भुरगे जेन्ना इतले फॅसिलिटीज तांकां मेळटा, गोंयानूय आमचो सरकार सगळे दृश्टींनी सगळे खात्यांनी काम करता तेन्ना इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ न्यू गोवा, अ डिफरंट गोवा. एक पोटजोडीत गोंय आमचें जावपाचें आसा. हितून आमी सगळ्यांनी सहभाग घेवपा जाय. आमी सरकाराकूय सहभाग आदार करपाक जाय. आमी सरकारा बरोबर बरें करता ते तरी आमी रावता आनी रावतले म्हूण दाखोवपाक जाय. अशें रावल्यारूच हांव समजता बरेपण बेगीन येतले. आनी जे आज आमचे भारत देश जे 10व्या पोझिशनार आसले आमी आता 5व्या पोझिशनार पावला मान्य मोदीजीचे नेतृत्वा खालीर. आणि 3rd टर्मा तेणे ओपनली सांगला आणि तो उलयता ते करून दाखयता. वी विल रीच द 3rd पोझिशन पुटिंग बिहाइंड जपान एंड जर्मनी. हे कितें दाखयता इतली प्रगती आमच्या देशान जाता, इतली ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमच्या युथान मेळटा. दुसरे हांव मुद्दम सांगपाक सोदता आमकां सोशल मिडिया तरी आमी मिसयूज करताच आणि तेच भाशेन आता आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स येयला. फेक व्हिडिओज येवपाची प्रयत्न थोड्यांची असता. फेक पर्सनॅलिटीज डेव्हलप करता. तूं असो उबो आहा तो फाल्यां कपडे नासतना म्हूण दाखयता. हे आमकां सगळे टीव्हीचेरूय पयर एक्सप्लेन करताले हांव पळयतालो. आमचो फुडार असलो आमकां जाय. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजन्स बरे कामा खातीर वापरपाचे, समाजा बरें करपाक, कल्याण हाडपाक आमच्या देशान, नॉट फॉर मिसयूज. आणि हे भाशेन आमी आमचे जे तरुण भुरगे आसा तेणी लक्षात दवरपाक जाय. हे देशान तुमचे भविष्य खूप उज्ज्वल आसा. कित्याक एक भाग्य आमच्या देशाचे बाब मोदी सारखे नेतृत्व करता म्हूण. सगळे वाठारांनी प्रगती खरें दिसता. उलयन आमी उलोवपाचेच ना, खऱ्यांनी दिसता. तेच भाशेन गोंयाय जी प्रगती जाता, सरकार जे काम करता सांगपाची गरज ना, हे दिसता. आणि हांव समजता गोंयकारां तरी स्पश्टपणे हांव सांगपाक सोदता भिवपाची गरज ना. प्रगती जायत रावतली. गोंयकार मुखार वचत रावतले, बरेपण मेळत रावतले. आणि जे क्वॉलिटी ऑफ लायफ आमी म्हणटा, सवलत्यो जे लोकांक मेळपाक जाय म्हणटा, जरूर ह्यो तांकां मेळटले. स्किम्यो आमचे गरीब लोकांक मेळटल्यो, मेळत आहा. आणि खूंय सुदार हाडपाक जाय आनी बरेपण हाडपाक जाय. म्हाका दिसता हे आमी करून दाखयतले. हो आमचो कमिटमेंट जावन आसा. हांव मुद्दम हे सभे मजार मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यान सांगपाक सोदता दाबोलेच काम जावपाना. आय विल टेक इट एज अ पर्सनल चॅलेंज. माझ्या दोन्ही सांगात्यांक घेवन जे माझ्या बरोबर आसा आमी बरोबर काम करता. तो बाब दाजी कृष्णा सालकर आसूं दी, तो बाब संकल्प आवणकार आसूं दी, मुर्मुगांवचो MLA. आमी तिगोय मेळोन ही आख्खे वाठारांत तुमी दुसरेच भाशेन डेव्हलपमेंट चेंज पळयतले. पयरूच हांव आमचे मान्य नितीन गडकरी कडेन उलयला. आमचो बसपोर्ट खंय पावला, डिले जाता. म्हाका लोक विचारता आमी पब्लीक कमिटमेंट केला, तुवेंय केला. तेणें सांगला 22 तारखे येता तेन्ना उलया. उरला तितले प्रोजेक्ट गोंयचे आपण क्लियर करून दिता. म्हणून हांव समजता हेय सगळे जे उरला ती कामां आख्खे मुर्मुगांव तालुक्यान जातली. आनी हांवें सांगला तशें मोदीन एक विचार धरून मुर्मुगांव इतले उंच आसले, मुर्मुगांव तालुका एक टायमा तरी आमची राजधानी जावपाची म्हूण लोकांनी तेन्ना इतिहास काडल्यार येवजिले. देर वॉज समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट मुर्मुगांव तालुका. लेट अस मेक इट स्पेशल, लेट अस मेक इट ग्रेट. एंड फॉर दॅट the cooperation of every citizen, each one of you is required. Let us work towards a good Goa, a progressive Goa, a happy citizens, not only in Murmugaon Taluka, but in entire Goa. Once again, हांव सगळ्यांक उनुनीत परबी दिता. 63 वर्सान आमी भितर सरता तेन्ना गोंयच्या सुटकाची आनी समजता की फुडारा आमचे खूब आनी खूब बरें जातले. Or the taxi people in that business as true ambassadors of tourism, they have to recognize what a serious role they have to play, that they have a big stake in the transformation of Goa. Similarly, in the panchayats, when their funds used to remain unutilized for want of carrying on projects, today every paisa that is given to the panchayat is utilized for the development of the panchayat, so much so that we are left with no funds at all. But the center has been forthcoming. Under the 15th Finance Commission, we had enhanced amount of money being given to us. This is the transformational change that has to come in Goa. How can it come? All our 191 panchayats will have to work. We'll have to take the people at the grassroots level into confidence. We'll have to work towards the betterment of the people living in rural areas. Though today, when you look at Goa, sometimes you get confused. You have suddenly a high-rise building coming up in a rural area, and then you wonder. So I sometimes call it rural as well as urban. But that is the peculiarity of Goa. Today, it is a transformative change. You see the number of events that are taking place in Goa. Goa, in fact, is host to the highest number of events taking place if you compare it to any part of the country. And perhaps, as some of my friends tell me, who are very studied and learned people, Goa is the place where the highest number of events, small, medium, big, take place in a small, tiny state of Goa. That's why at one time it was classified as the jewel in the crown called India. We have to maintain, preserve, and nurture this jewel. That is what is the duty of every citizen. Today, the government has been elected for the third time in succession. It is not without any reason that a government can come to power for the third time. It has delivered. Tremendous progress is taking place in entire Goa, including the Taluka of Murmungao. Just yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister was here. Right in front of me, behind you, the press people who are there, is the Joggers Park, the iconic park. Why have we been able to do this? Because we believe in progress. We believe in change. We believe in change for the better, where things would improve in such a way that it is bound to build the infrastructure to world-class standard. When we have such a big park, when we use so much of water, almost to the tune of 80,000 liters a day, would it be fair to the public who sometimes do not get potable water? Yes, we did think about it. Therefore, we have the WOW plant in its vicinity. Without messing up by several tankers coming up and down from the park, from the WOW plant, we have ensured that a pipeline gets that treated water, which can be used for everything except drinking, for flushing your toilet, for watering the plants, for washing your car, except drinking. This is the type of plant we have got. And I was very happy yesterday that when the Honorable Chief Minister made a special mention of both the things, that others have to emulate that. As I said, when we are undergoing a change, a huge change, Goa has to adopt the good practices, the good projects, something that will change the lifestyle of its citizens, something that will change the quality of life. Ultimately, it has to be the endeavor of any government of the day to improve the quality of life of its citizens. But sometimes it is very sad. Yes, opposition is required. Yes, their chants are required. Yes, they have to tell us where we go wrong. That is the job of the opposition. But also it also means that when certain good things are done, you have to also applaud. You have to recognize. Not a single word ever comes from the positive things that are done, for the good things that are done. Instead, if I give you the examples, senior citizens were prodded into launching a protest against Joggers Park. I want to mention about the Joggers Park for people to know how opposition comes. That we have concretized everything and it is not a park anymore. The same people came in the park yesterday, were complimenting it, were congratulating me, and they were the happiest people, and they said, no, we did not realize what happens in our society in a small place like Goa. We are soon instigative. We instigate people even for the good things. This is bad for democracy. This is not the real democracy that we want. Oppose for the bad things. See that the bad things do not happen. But when you oppose the good things as well, जशे कोंकणीन एक म्हणणे आहा, ओल्यार सुकें जोडटा, सुक्यार ओले जोडटा, अशें केल्यार कशें आमचे भांगराचे गोंय उरतले. बरें करता ते बरें म्हणपाकूच जाय. आज इतलो बदल आमच्या गोंयान येयल्लो आसा. प्रोजेक्ट आनी स्किम्यो ज्यो लोकांक दिला त्यो हांव सांगल्यार खूब खूब वेळ वयतलो. पूण पळया बदल. 22 तारखे आमचे माननीय नितीन गडकरी येता. फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालतले 2 आयकॉनिक ब्रिज फॉर टुरिझम ऑफ गोवा. फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालतले. बोरवरींचे ट्रॅफिक आता ब्लॉक जाता, थिंगा एक फ्लायओव्हर येवपाचे आसा. आणि म्हाका दिसता 1 म्हयन्याच्या आदीं जे फ्लायओव्हर दाबोली वेन्ना सकला कडेन जावपाचे आसा तेजेय आमकां मान्यता मेळपाची आसा. पयले फकत दाबोली जंक्शन टू पिनी नगर करपाचें आसलें. हांवें सांगलें सगळें बरोबर करया कित्याक नाल्यार परत थिंगा लोक ब्लॉक जातले. ताका लागून ते मातशें डिले जाला. नेवीनूय मातशें थोडे ऑब्जेक्शन केल्ले आसा. Indeed, liberation of Goa is something we celebrate every year, and particularly in our taluka of Murmungaon, it has a very deep significance. I was glancing through history, and as we commemorate and celebrate the 63rd year of our liberation, first of all, let me recollect the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. And when I say freedom fighters, they were Goan, they were from elsewhere in the country who gave their everything. Some of them sacrificed their lives. They did not think that this is a small tiny state of Goa whom we are liberating. They took every step that was necessary to see that the colonial rule of the Portuguese came to an end and we attained our freedom, which we happily celebrate today as the Liberation Day. As I said, going through history, Old Goa was first our capital, and then there was a cholera disease. It was all marshy land full of mosquitoes, compelled the authorities ruling at that point of time to come to the place which is our capital today, called Panjim, which is the modern name, and they had to reclaim that land to create the capital what we have. And I must tell you, which most of you will not be knowing history, at that point of time, very seriously considered was Murmungaon as the capital of Goa, which few people know. But ultimately, they decided that Panjim should be the capital. Today, when Murmungaon at one point of time was considered the capital, there were reasons for it being considered as the capital at that point of time. As I say, we are the industrial capital. Major industry, the best industrial estate, that is Verna, is in our Murmungaon Taluka. We have as many as 2 railways starting from here, whether it is the Southwestern Railway, whether it is the Konkan Railway, whether it is our Goa International Airports, Dabolim, which has served us from the time we were liberated. It is the Murmungaon Port, which is a natural harbor, which can actually transform Goa. Today, when we look at our state, there can be no real development of that sort unless Murmungaon contributes, unless Murmungaon Taluka, we are able to exploit the full potential of our Taluka. Besides being our industrial capital, besides the port, now the Murmungaon Port Authority, at one time MPT, we have not been exploiting it to its full potential. But in times to come, this is bound to happen. So much so that we have even thought of having a passenger cruise terminal where big cruise ships will be berthing there at Murmungaon Harbour, besides doing the normal business. And very shortly, as they are in the process of acquisition of 2 large cranes, we will be having containers that will service the requirements in not only Goa but our neighboring 2 states. It has the potential to become one of the largest trading hubs which is necessary for the prosperity of our state. A new industrial policy which has been launched by the Industries Department under my care, a new warehousing and logistics policy which has been launched again under my care, under Industries. I think this is going to go a long way in our ultimate goal in the transformation of Goa into a huge trading hub. We have different places. which were deserts at one time, like whether you call it Singapore or whether you call it Dubai, we are not here to copycat them, not act as copycats copying what they have. Goa has such natural beauty. Goa has such natural assets like the natural port we have. We have two airports today, one in the north, one in the south. And with a investor-friendly policy, the ease of doing business is going to be easier and easier in the years to come. And that is the way Dr. Pramod Sawant, our Honorable Chief Minister, has been planning. Under my department, we have introduced changes in the transport system. Though there is reluctance on the part of our taxi people to adopt change by totally going on the app, it will be my endeavor that ultimately every taxi that flies in Goa has to go on the app. Shortly I am introducing a policy where it will be much cheaper, less taxes, less charges to be paid to the government if they go on the app. This is something which is required for the transformation in transport that is necessary. If you look at the electrical buses which we have acquired, and in the process of acquiring even more, it is only because we want to reduce the pollution. We want to be first of having the maximum number of electrical buses. And going to Patraun taxi scheme which we had launched, we had simply launched it where an unemployed youth could consider running a taxi as his profession without being called a taxi driver. खुश असतले आणि हे खऱ्यांनी आमचे भविष्य जे आम्ही युथाचे मुट्टा आमचे भुरग्यांचे मुट्टा बरे उज्ज्वल असतले म्हणून ही आशा धरून हांव सगळ्यांक ऑल द व्हेरी बेस्ट मुट्टा. हॅपी लिबरेशन डे, 63rd लिबरेशन डे. ऑल द बेस्ट. मे वी प्रॉस्पर, मे द नेशन प्रॉस्पर, मे वी गेट more and more good things happening with a double engine which we plan to run to the full steam. Thank you very much indeed.
गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय.
राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट ग्रामीण जय.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नाम